stairs, don't know if I'll find them things again. The sun will never shine and the wolves will never cry till I'm holding you again. Love how you kiss every tattoo on my face. Yeah, it's the time and place to do what the doctor said. Don't see you again. Each night I stay up like a hollow, thinking about the way you say my name. Slid in my life like a thief in the night, and you stole my common sense. The sun will never shine and the wolves will never cry till I'm holding you again. Love how you kiss every tattoo on my face. Yeah, it's the time and place to do what the doctor says. Don't see you a day, far more than what I need. The perks of being a fiend is that I get to take a dose of you a day.
As far as heartbeats go, man, it's beating right out of my chest. As far as prayers may go, oh damn it baby, I feel blessed. As far as loving you, well you know I'm a little obsessed. And as far as moments go, this is one we'll never forget. Baby, I've wanted this for as long as I know. 'Cause I wrote this song a long, long time ago. And it goes, I wanna see you all dressed up in white. Baby, I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life. And I told you since I met you that you'd always be mine. And one day I was gonna make you my wife. Well baby, tonight I'm gonna make you my wife. As far as feelings go, it's the best feeling I've ever known. As far as where I wanna be, well if you're there, that's my home. Everybody, raise your glasses and hold them up high. To the bride, to the groom, everybody in this room, I finally get to call you mine. Oh, I wanna see you all dressed up in white. Baby, I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life. And I told you since I met you that you'd always be mine. Well baby, tonight I'm gonna make you my wife. As long as I know, 'cause I wrote this song a long, long time ago. I wanna see you all dressed up in white. Baby, I'm gonna love you for the rest of my life. And I told you since I met you that you'd always be mine. Well baby, tonight I'm gonna make you my wife. Well baby, tonight I'm gonna make you my wife.